Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you multiple ways on how you can create a transparent background. So the first way is when you open Photoshop and you come to this screen, you could create a new, so you can either go File, New, or Create New. And what it does is it's going to bring up this dialog box with any of your recent items or templates that you made. You can go ahead and select any one that you have on your end. And if you look over here to the right, it says background contents. Now, of course, you could select over here transparent. So this is one way that you could do it. So I'm going to go ahead and create it. So as you can see with this canvas, it's got a checkerboard background, and that means it's transparent. So that's one way that you could do it. Another way that you could do it is, let's see, I'm going to close out of there. I'm going to also create a new document. This time I'm going to select a color. Now it doesn't matter if it's white or black, or you could choose a custom color of your choice. But let's say I choose a custom color. I'm going to choose red and click OK. And then create down here. And of course it opens up your canvas with the color that you selected. Now right now your layer is locked. So in order to make this transparent, we need to unlock it in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and click the locked icon. And now I'm going to use the magic wand tool. And since it's a solid background, you could use the magic wand tool to select this. So all I have to do is just click on this area, and and of course it selects the entire canvas. Because the color that I selected, it's going to select a solid color in this case. So all I have to do now is hit the delete button, and it deletes it. Now I hit Control D to deselect it, and of course now the background is transparent. So another way that you could do it, I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to go through the same process, create new, and I'll select the last color, create it. Now of course you would think that you could go ahead and delete this layer, but you can't do this in Photoshop, whether it's locked or not, because of the fact that Photoshop requires at least one layer to be active, basically. So even if I clicked the unlock icon, if I go ahead and drag this down to the trash icon down here, it doesn't allow me to. So one way to get around this, outside of what I just showed you, is you create a new layer above there, and that new layer is now transparent. So now I could delete this original layer down here, and now you have a transparent background. So how do we know that we have a transparent background? I'll add some text to this, and I'll type in transparent, and then hit the Control T to transform it, and I'm going to hold down the Shift and Alt key so it fits on the screen. I'm going to press enter to apply these changes. So you could actually put anything on this transparent background, and once you save it, it'll be transparent. So what you want to do is you want to go up here, File, and then Export, and then you could do a quick export as a ping. Now if you don't know this already, in order to keep the transparency in this particular canvas, is you have to save it as a PNG. A JPEG does not um, support transparency. So a PNG will. So I'm going to do a quick export as a PNG for this layer, and I'm going to just save it. And I'm just going to replace the one I currently have. And now watch what happens. I'm going to create a new document. I'm going to accept the default changes. Now I'm going to drag that file onto here. This is the file I just saved. I'm going to drag it on here. And as you can see, it's transparent. It didn't save any other color behind the text that I saved, so we know that it's transparent. So those are multiple ways that you could create a transparent background. I'm sure there's other ways too, but those are the ways that I wanted to show you. So I wanted to thank you for stopping by today. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I upload a new video. And always please like, share, and comment. And if you have any comments about this video, or if you have a suggestion for future videos, please comment below. Thanks again for stopping by, and you have a great day. Bye now.